Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn how to install Java on our Windows machine. For this we will open our browser. I have already opened my browser here. I will search here download JDK for Windows. Once you open this, you will be getting first Oracle official version for Java. You need to click on this. Here we will be seeing all the latest Java version. The current version is Java JDK 24. So for this we will go to Window because we are installing on the Windows machine. After this we can download zip file, exe file, .msi file. So I will be downloading .exe file, that is second one. I will click on this link. As you can see, it has started downloading. You can see progress here. After completing download, we will open this. We will double click on this .exe file. After you double click, it will show a pop-up. We have to click on yes. I will click on next. It will be giving default location in our program file, so I will keep it the same and I will click on next. After this you will be able to see the progress of our installation. The installation is completed. Now I will close it. After this I will go to environment variable. For this I will search for environment variable. I will click on open. I will go to environment variables. Here first I will set the path. I will click on new. After this I will go to program files. I will click on this Java. Here I have Java 24. I will click on it. I will click on bin. I will copy this path. I will copy this path and paste in our environment variable path. I will click OK. After this I will set Java home. For this I will click on new. I will write Java home and I will give path. I will remove bin and I will keep it up to JDK 24. I will click on OK. As you can see, the Java home variable is also set and I will click on OK. Click on OK. After this I will go to CMD. I will check Java version. As you can see, the Java latest version is installed on our system, and we can also see the Java home path. For this we will type echo Java home. This is also giving the path that we have set in our Java home variable. So this is how we can install Java on our Windows machine. This is all for this video. If you like this, please do like and also comment and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.